Okay, how do we insert? I'm assuming you're talking about the tables. Oops, where'd you go? Where'd you go? Okay, so you can go several places. Insert, table. There's two ways you can do it. You can go, like if you want, see how it gets you one by one, two by one, you know. You can add as many columns and rows as you want. Okay. You can do insert table here. You can do the number of columns. I used to have trouble remembering columns and rows. So now the way I do it, of course, I use my mnemonic device of sports. I'm walking up the row or walking down the, or excuse me, column, and then the row is my seat. Okay, so if you want like not 5 columns, usually three columns, and let's just say 5 rows. Okay. This auto fit to contents, this makes it look nice and neat. I might do that at the start so you don't have to go back in later and do it. And then it'll make your table really small, but when you start typing, you'll see how and you use tab, you'll see how they get bigger. Okay, so your first row here is usually your titles, and to center them, all you have to do is go to home, and then hit center or Control E. All right, and the bold, italics, that type of stuff. Okay, and then you just kind of put your tables in from here. If you want the table centered, you go to Table Properties, click on Center, click OK, and it will center your table in the middle of your page. Right? Okay. Tables are a lot of fun. They can be a lot of fun. You can do a lot of stuff with them. If you go down here to Table Properties, again, you can do Cell borders and shading. You can go here and look at all the different borders. You can do hit. You can make colors in them. If you want, click OK. It can give you different colors for your borders. All right. But keep in mind when you do a lot of stuff, people may be colorblind. So tables really, if you do the black and I'm good with black and white. Okay. My purpose of this research paper is to get you thinking about your future planning. The COVID really hit a lot of us, and many of us were left without the next month's rent. So this is why I'm having you do this research project, to think about your future and to think about the current, what would you do again? Okay? All right. Best of luck.